Last week, OpenAI ने लॉन्च किया है GPT-4o, the latest flagship model that can reason across text, vision and audio in real time. So ये वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे all the new features that have been added in GPT-4o and why GPT-4o is the smartest and fastest LLM model till date. So let's get started. What is GPT-4o? The O in GPT-4o stands for Omni, and this is GPT-4 Omni model. GPT-4o can accept input as text, audio, image as well as video, and it can generate a combination of text, audio and image output. It can write better code than ChatGPT 3 and can generate output in real time. So let's discuss about the features of GPT-4o one by one. ChatGPT has now memory. मीन्स अभी आपके प्रीवियस कॉन्वर्जेशन को याद रख सकता है, एंड अगर आप इसे अपने पुराने कॉन्वर्जेशन या चैट हिस्ट्री के बारे में पूछोगे तो ये उसका जवाब आपको आसानी से दे देगा. एंड चैट जीपीटी कैन नॉट ट्रेन इटसेल्फ ऑन योर चैट हिस्ट्री टू गिव यू अ पर्सनलाइज्ड आंसर, एंड आई थिंक इससे मॉडल्स का हेलुसिनेशन काफी हद तक रिड्यूस हो सकता है. रियल टाइम वॉइस मोड इन GPT-4o. चैट जीपीटी में भी हम वॉइस मोड यूज कर पा रहे थे, बट उसमें क्या होता था कि हमारी ऑडियो इनपुट को प्रोसेस करने के लिए टोटल 3 मॉडल यूज किए जाते थे. फर्स्ट मॉडल यूज होता था टू ट्रांसक्राइब ऑडियो इनटू टेक्स्ट. देन चैट जीपीटी 3 और GPT-4 को यूज करते थे टू कन्वर्ट द इनपुट टेक्स्ट इनटू आउटपुट टेक्स्ट. एंड थर्ड, that is whisper model to convert the text into audio form. So ये मेथड में बहुत ही लेटेंसी थी क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे मॉडल यूज हो रहे थे. बट इन GPT-4 this latency has been removed as ये सिंगल मॉडल को एंड टू एंड ट्रेन किया गया है अक्रॉस टेक्स्ट, ऑडियो एंड विजन, एंड ये सारा प्रोसेस खुद ही करता है. The new voice mode in GPT-4 can understand human-like emotions, tone, and it also takes pauses while speaking, which makes the voice to seem more natural and realistic. Watch this clip.
So my friend Barrett here, he's been having trouble sleeping lately, and I want you to tell him a bedtime story about robots and love.
Oh, a bedtime story about robots and love? I got you covered. Gather round, Barrett. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a robot named Byte. Byte was a curious robot, always exploring.
Started this story, but I want a little bit more emotion in your voice, a little bit more drama.
Got it. Let's add some drama. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a robot.
One feature I like the most is real-time translation. And आप भी जब इसे देखोगे तो चौंक जाओगे.
So I would like you to function as a translator. I have a friend here who only speaks Italian, and I only speak English. And every time you hear English, I want you to translate it to Italian. And if you hear Italian, I want you to translate it back to English. Is that good?
Perfetto.
Mark, io mi chiedo se le balene potessero parlare, cosa ci direbbero?
Mike, she wonders if whales could talk, what would they tell us?
They might ask, how do we solve linear equations?
Potrebbero chiederci come risolviamo le equazioni lineari.
Sicuramente sì.
Certainly yes.
Great, looks like it works.
Real-time vision. GPT-4o has now vision, and ये real life problem solve कर सकता है. You can ask math problem, coding exercise and anything you want, and it will give you the correct answer. You can now share your screen of your desktop and ask anything about that. Here is a clip.
Let's look at the problem together. Can you first identify which sides of the triangle are the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse relative to angle alpha?
All right, so I'm pretty sure this is the angle alpha right here, right?
Perfect. That's correct. Now, looking at the triangle, which side do you think is the hypotenuse?
Really,
the hypotenuse?
I'm not totally sure. I think it might be this one, but I really am not sure. This side AC.
You're close. Actually, side AC is called the adjacent side to the angle alpha.
This feature is very useful for majority of people in their day-to-day life activities, but I'll discuss them in the next video. GPT-4o is the fastest model, and it has outperformed all available models in text generation, reasoning, coding intelligence, and audio generations. You can see here in the model benchmark, GPT-4o has set the highest watermark in all the available models. and it has also made a new high score of 88.7% on zero shot MMLU, massive multitask language understanding, whereas Meta's Llama 70B model is at 82%. So it's a great achievement for OpenAI to set this huge number. GPT-4o model is now available for free for all in the ChatGPT desktop version, and you can now upload text, ऑडियो, इमेज, वीडियो एंड एनीथिंग यू वांट एंड आस्क योर क्वेरी। इसके साथ आप जीपीटी स्टोर को भी एक्सेस कर सकते हो जो अब तक पेड था बट अभी फ्री है। वॉइस मोड अभी तक डेस्कटॉप वर्जन में नहीं रिलीज हुआ है बट ये चैट जीपीटी ऐप वर्जन में अवेलेबल है। एंड इफ यू वांट टू यूज द प्रीमियम फीचर्स लाइक विजन, audio and image generation capabilities, then you can buy the plus version of ChatGPT. So this was all the feature discussed in the OpenAI release video, and I hope कि ये वीडियो से आपको कुछ सीखने मिला। The use cases of these features will be discussed in the next video. I hope कि ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा, एंड अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक एंड शेयर करना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, एंड कमेंट करके बताना कि ये फीचर्स को कैसे हम डे टू डे यूज कर सकते हैं। सो सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को फॉर मोर AI videos, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.